Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to delete photos and videos permanently from your phone, Nothing Phone 1. Here is Nothing Phone 1. Suppose if you have deleted some photos and videos from your photos gallery, then you can delete it permanently. It will be permanently available somewhere in the location called bin, that is called recycle bin. So you go to delete from there too, then only you can completely remove from your device. So what you have to do, go to files in your phone, go to files. Okay, then you will see this interface. Here you have to click on this horizontal line and click on bin. So here all deleted photos and videos or any other file will be appearing here. So remember that after 30 days they will be automatically deleted. So if you would like to delete immediately, then you can select here what are all the files you would like to delete, and then you can delete here itself. Suppose if you would like to restore one of the photo or video that is important to you. Suppose if you have deleted accidentally your important photo or video or any other file, just you can select those file and click on restore, so that it will be recovered back to the your gallery. Okay, suppose if you don't need completely, then what you can do, just click on delete. Just to select the photos and then click on delete, so that they will be removed completely from your phone. Yes, they have been now removed. So in this way you can easily delete photos, videos or any other files permanently from your phone, Nothing Phone 1. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.